Hi guys, this is gsn.com and I'm here with the Oppo Find X2 Pro. It's just been launched and unveiled. It's priced at around 1,200 euros. At least that's the price we know so far. It's made of glass and metal. It's got a curved front panel, as you can see on the sides, and also curved is the glass back panel with a beautiful ceramic finish. There should also be a vegan leather one, and this feels a bit heavier than the Oppo Find X2 because of the extra technology. So for starters, we got a screen here, 6.7 inch, an AMOLED with Quad HD plus resolution and 120 Hz refresh rate. So if you go here, you'll see something of a surprise. Quad HD plus is still in check, and also 120 Hz, unlike the Galaxy S20 units, which switch to Full HD in 120 Hz. Inside, you can find the Snapdragon 865, accompanied by 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage. At the same time, a 4,260 mAh battery with super fast Super VOOC charging at 65 watts, and it juices up the battery from 0 to 100% in just a mere 38 minutes. Well, aside from that, we got a 32 megapixel camera, selfie one, cut in the screen. The predecessor, the Oppo Find X1, had that pop-up mechanism. This one opts for a punch hole camera. We go to the back side, we find the cool triple camera setup. This is a periscopic 13 megapixel telephoto cam with 10x hybrid zoom, and we got two 48 megapixel shooters, the main one with a Sony sensor and the second one for the ultra-wide ultra-wide 120-degree captures. The OS you're seeing here is Android 10 with ColorOS 7 on top of it, and this is the notification and quick settings area. Here we have a special bar which aids you with multitasking, and here we have the Smart Assistant, which allows you to group useful, features. Aside from that, this is the application area, the app drawer, which a rival like Huawei doesn't have, and I think that's about it. It's glass and metal, a bit heavier, and extra storage from the Oppo Find X2, which had 256. This has 512 gigabytes of storage. Okay, quick look at the camera interface. They've implemented a more fluid way of zooming with this area here. A zoom circle instead of a slider, which is quite comfy to use. We also have AI features. We have special stabilization, ultra stabilization, and ultra night mode. We got a portrait feature, and we got sticker, time-lapse, pro, and panorama. So that's about it. 6.7 inch display, that's what you're seeing here, with a Quad HD plus and resolution and 120 Hz refresh rate. So let's watch a quick YouTube video just for the sake of the screen. And from what I know, it should also support HDR, so that's a good thing. Wider colors. Okay, we go to Quad HD, and that's pretty impressive, pretty immersive. The camera cutout doesn't bother me. Bright and crisp, but I'm going to see what the contrast is like when we get to the full sunlight. Okay, so that's that. The first hands-on with the Oppo Find X2 Pro. Impressions, a bit heavier than the Find X2, and the camera shows a bit of a promise in the zoom department especially, and that battery charging is truly impressive. This is from gsn.com. Bye bye.